All right, so this hack right here is particularly for my mother. Now, my mother has hooded eyelids. So of course she's an older, mature woman, and you know, our skin as we get older tends to want to droop over our eyelids like this, right? And mine is actually starting to do the same thing because I'm 45 years old, and so you know, age is taking over. But don't get it twisted, I'm still fine. But anyways, let me show you this hack that I was trying to show my mom. So this is going to be an updated hack. The first time I did the hack, I just used the black pencil, and we're just going to create a winged eye, if you guys are not understanding what I'm talking about. And that's because my mother loved wearing wings, but I noticed when she closes her eye, the little part on the top disappears under the skin fold. So let me show you how to do this without it disappearing. So I have this liquid pen, and this is the same pen that I just did my brows, the end of my brows with. What you want to do is not look up like this, because that's what's going to make it fold up underneath. Once you look directly straight onto your mirror, it's going to disappear. So don't do anything with your eyes. All you have to do is leave your eyes just how it is, looking directly at your camera. Start with the outer arch. Connect it to that corner, just like that. The next thing you want to do, extend it just a little further to give you that point. Now right about here is where you want to bring it right down. Going right over that fold. Taking it right over the lid. Just like this. Alright. So that's the very first part of our winged eye. Now, as you can see, it looks, or it's going to give the illusion of being connected all the way across. But when you close your eye like this, it's not going to be connected. So the hack would be to connect these two lines, just like that. And then go ahead and fill in the wing. Now, my mom was concerned that it was going to have this dent. Every time she looks down and people are looking at her, the dent is going to show, right? So right here, you can still connect it. It's not going to be 100% straight, but you can still connect the wing, just like that. And it's still going to give you that connection when you open and close your eyes. And I'm just finishing up the front of the wing by bringing it down into my corner of the crease of my eye. So you guys have it. This is how your wing is going to look starting out. It's going to look crazy. It's going to look like it's not right, but this is the illusion of someone with a hooded lid. We're going to give the illusion that our wing is perfect, just like that when we look at when somebody is looking directly onto us, or we're looking directly into our mirror, we can see that our wing is perfect. It's only when you close your eyes slightly you're going to have that indentation. But if you beat your face and put some makeup or eyeshadow on, that won't even be noticeable. But you can go ahead, if you're feeling uncomfortable about that dip, and try to connect it as much as possible right in this area. So then, like I said, when you open up your eye, you'll have that perfect wing, just like that. So hopefully this eye hack was helpful for you guys. Mom, if you're watching, hopefully you learned something. You can still connect the disconnect right over top of your skin. Just draw the arch or the winged eye exactly how it's supposed to go, and it's going to look perfect. All right, so now that I went off camera and I did both winged eye, this is how they are looking. And when I'm looking directly onto you, you can actually see the whole arch. Instead of with the hooded lid, it will cover up the whole arch. Let me close my eyes so you can see how it looks when you're looking directly onto me versus when I open up my eye, how it connects. To the other side. All right, so now that we have the winged eye and we already got the hack out the way, we know what we're doing. We're going to create the perfect winged eye from here on out. The next thing and the last thing I'm going to do is put on some lashes. Now here I have these little cat eyelashes that I got off of my Amazon store. If y'all need any lashes like this, it actually comes with a tray of 6. So you have 6 pairs on one tray. I just cut it down because I've used them all, and this is my last pair left. So if you want any of these cat eye lashes, you go into my storefront and you can purchase you some. Actually, the liquid liner is over there by Kiss. You have the brown and the black pencils, the dark brown pencils, and you even have the spoolie with the whole brush set. So y'all can go over here to my Amazon storefront and purchase y'all some products, y'all. All right, so let's go ahead and pop these lashes on. You kind of want to make sure these are tacky before you apply them, because they will slip and slide all over your face. And I'm sure that is not the look that you are going for. You want to just give. All right, that's looking real good, y'all. First time around. Oh yeah, first attempt. Them babies is on there. We did that the first time. Bam. Yeah, I did say bam. So let's go ahead and pop this other one on. And this is literally all I'm doing for today. It's hot outside. I ain't putting no foundation on. Nothing. We're just doing a brows, wing liner, and lashes. That's it. Let's pop this one on and we're gonna be done. Some good press. And there you have them. They are on. The key is allowing your glue to get tacky. One more thing before I go. Check out this eye. You can see how it's really, really dark on the top and there's no connection connecting the bottom lash line to the top lash line. It still looks cute that way, but let me show you what I did. You see this? I went in with my black pencil and I just did a half waterline right here. I didn't go all the way to the corner. I just did it like right where my iris of my eye starts. And I drug it back and connected the wing, connected the tail of the wing with my bottom lash. Now that just brought a lot of connection to the eye, and it made the eye look a lot wider and brighter compared to this one. See how small this iris kind of looks because there's no definition up underneath, and how wide and big and open and bright the eye looks once you put that black pencil in the waterline. Let's go ahead and do that. That's another hack if you want a wider eye look or a brighter eye. Go ahead and put your waterline with a black pencil or a dark brown if you don't like black, and only do it from the start of your iris and connect it with the tail end of your top eyeliner. And as you can see, it just opened up that eye, and now it looks beautiful. Now that is the finished look. Hopefully I learned something with a hooded winged eyeliner and then a little lash application. Drop me a comment down in the comment section below. I will see you guys again in my next makeup or hair hack.